Hey, I'm Sawyer. I wasn't born rich and never studied trading. I just started and never stopped. Now I make over $100,000 every week and own several villas and apartments around the world. I created a Telegram channel where I share everything for free. Training, practice and signals for any level. Join the community and message me. We will start your first trade together. The mistake most traders make is guessing reversals. They see a red candle and think it's a trend change. But one candle never defines direction. Structure does. I wait for confirmation, pullback, reaction, continuation. That's where clarity begins.
Here we open buy trades and they are set at a great entry level, right within a strong upward trend.
Stop wasting your money on fake signals that never work. What you see online might look easy, but real trading is completely different. That's why I created a free strategy practice where you can actually see how it works in real market conditions. And for those who want to go further, there is a private VIP group with daily signals and personal support. Click the link below and claim the free strategy practice right now.
Look at this pullback, we were lucky to catch it perfectly. Let's highlight the working area. Everything here is quite simple. The price sharply crossed the Keltner channel, made a breakout and then formed a local low right here. It's a strong point of contact and we will be waiting for the stochastic exit, the oversold zone. Opening in the direction of the trend is always the best option, and the trend works in our favor. And as you can see, the final trades show a clear positive result. The price correction we saw was sharp, but the recovery movement was just as strong. A truly great entry and our final trades closed successfully in profit.
After all these years, I stopped seeking signals. Now I just look for truth in price, because direction isn't found, it's felt. When analysis meets peace, trading becomes art, and every minute candle tells a story worth listening to.
Here we open two sell trades. According to the stochastic indicator, we are seeing an exit signal. So even though this entry is against the main trend, we are following our universal strategy. The price has moved outside the Keltner channel and a new local high has formed. After that, we should expect a pullback number. If we look at the previous correction, we can see that the price tends to return back inside the channel after such movements. We also observe an exit from the overbought zone on both stochastic indicators. So everything supports a sell setup. I am fully satisfied with how this trade looks. The entry level is good and we opened right on time. Now the price has moved slightly higher, so it's a tense final moment. But both trades closed successfully in profit.
Confirmation doesn't need perfection. Even small things like a weak rejection matter. When logic and behavior align, I move confidently. I don't need proof, I need alignment. That's how consistent direction feels. Choosing direction is one skill, holding it is another. Most traders exit too soon out of fear. I learned to stay as long as logic stays valid. If structure remains intact, I hold. The best trades need patience to breathe. Trading looks simple in videos, but in reality it's a lot harder. That's why I host free practice sessions where I personally show people how real strategies work, step by step, in living trading conditions. Inside my Telegram channel you will also get access to daily signals, a powerful strategy, and even a VIP group for serious traders. Click the link below and join the free practice session right now.